see the back of our system. You see the 3 levels of ultraflow, the corners here that connects the troughs. You see the manual belts with the drives, and they all drop down on the patch belt. The patch belt in the pit, and there at the back goes up. And when you look to the fence, you see the patch belt that's there to drop everything into the manure storage. What you also saw here is the rope going in and coming towards us now. That's the scraper system. You see the scraper coming? These are flights that are mounted on a regular basis on this rope, and it goes up and down. And with every stroke, it takes a little bit of manure with it and drops it up on the cross manual belt. You run this normally 2 or 3 times a week for 20 minutes, and that will be enough to keep the level of bedding in the house pretty low and consistent to prevent floor wrecks.